Welcome to the perfect getaway for your next family vacation or group gathering. Introducing the magnificent Santa Clara, a 2,747 square foot vacation home designed with your comfort and enjoyment in mind. With 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this property at Bella Vida Resort is more than just a place to stay, it's your personal oasis near the magic of Disney World. Imagine waking up every morning in a luxurious master suite, sipping coffee while overlooking your private pool under the Florida sun. Then, dive into the endless activities awaiting you, from movie nights in the private theater to relaxing by the pool. And if you're traveling with your furry friends, they're welcome too. Don't miss the chance to experience an unforgettable vacation. Book now at Santa Clara and discover everything this property and its surroundings have to offer. Visit our website at roivacationhomes.com or call +1 689 200 9518 to secure your stay. We look forward to welcoming you.